Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage, haka kat arterek matau nailar arajar kat kendai. Kalayo ben pentamai kinong kitkam, jong ka samoy trekam ka banwan na ka banta sisnam. Ya kani kijing pentamai nong kitkam la pendap haka jelang ka bala perlong, haka ni kasngi ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Ringkat ka jingdan lang unong bishar jong ka yeng syari Meghalaya High Court uba HS Thank You ubalalong kongsan. Kat bau Dr. Debashis Das ubalalong kum usembot kongsan. Lasdangi kani kejelang hakani kejanmiet da kajing ruai National Anthem. Bat hadian kani pat la penbuat sa kajing thangi ka syarang. Da kiken rem kilendan bala syakot sobha syakani kejelang. Hakani kejanmiet la yor kajing keren priang buram ya ki para dekot jongani ka kanhon bat ki bala syakot sobha na presiden ka Rotary Club Shillong Heritage uba Gideon Karmoplang bat kajing puleru halor ki matrekam jongani ka kanhon kitkam ka bathamai na ka banta jong usnam arajar ka khandai arajar arpau. Hakani kejelang la pelat pat baru ya ka website jongani ka kanhon ka bala tip kom ka rcshillongheritage.com.
Gandhi once said, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. As I repeat, after hearing the deliberations or the addresses by the other speakers before me, though I was never a member of Rotary, I heard about its activities, but I feel I'm more enlightened in the way that houses serve, especially as what Dr. Debashis has said with regard to the eradication of polio, and then with regard to the work with environment, violence prevention, education, so on and so forth, and which encapsulates the work, encapsulates what your motto says, that is service before self. I have a far more important role to play in the community, which is facing many challenges. Dr. Nath Chaudhary talked about the ongoing project of Clean Shillong, which I've seen the papers also in the 75th anniversary Platinum Jubilee, which is celebrating, is actively engaged in, and which we all as citizens must support wholeheartedly. Then the areas of education and even the areas of sanitation or all other aspects. But one aspect which I have seen for myself in my chair and as a lawyer in practice is we have this rampant problem of a drug problem, which is manifested itself in many ways and has become a gigantic proportions, you could say, with regard to the danger it poses to the society, especially the young children. Those are off-beaten topic all the time, and many organizations are involved in it. With my interactions and from my work, one thing I noticed in Shillong is that we don't have de-addiction centers, government de-addiction centers. And the few that operate also are by NGOs and maybe others, private individuals who have these rehabilitation centers. I would feel that, I don't know if it will be proper, but I would suggest to this new club, if there's some way you could have a look at it, because it's become a really, really bad problem, and we will have a PIL in the court with regard to this aspect. With regard to de-addiction centers, if some way they could work together with these NGOs or maybe assist in some way to, because the services that are being provided now at addiction centers, it is not even basic, it's less than basic. So it doesn't really help in tackling the drug problem, in weaning away these substance abusers from this dependence. And there's one area which I feel, which is very, very important, and every day we see in the papers, this amount of drug seized, heroin, tablets, so on and so forth. So I would really request if this new club would concentrate also on these aspects.